Welcome back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
And in today's episode, we're at a brand new city we've never been to before. We're right off Interstate 10 in Northwest Florida, and we're visiting Defuniak Springs.
We're gonna check out their architecture, some shops, and a food truck festival.
But the main gem of this whole adventure is their nearly perfect circular lake at the center of the city. Wow, the
Christmas lights just came on.
We're also here to look at the Christmas lights. So stick with us, we'll show you around. But if you'd like a little drink before you head down to Defuniak Springs, stop off at the Chautauqua Vineyarry right off Interstate 10. They have daily wine tastings for free. There's a gift shop. They make their own muscadine wine. They source the grapes just 12 miles north of here. They also source grapes from other states like California and New York for their other types of wine. But head on there. They have free wine tastings. They have a gift shop, and the folks in there are really, really nice. But if you're looking for a bottle of wine, I would highly recommend the Noble Muscadine, which, according to the people there, is certified by the University of Florida for having the highest levels of antioxidants of all wines. And it's delicious. If you stop in there, let them know the first timer sent you.
Some of the things you might want to check out while here in Defuniak Springs are the shops on Baldwin Avenue. There's a general store. There's a restaurant called Bogey's that has come highly recommended. There's a cute little coffee shop. And you definitely got to make sure you see the murals. There are beautiful murals all over downtown Defuniak Springs, including this one behind me on the side of All Things New. All Things New is a store that sells new, used, handcrafted, and repurposed items, and all the proceeds go to fund 2 houses for recovery for women leaving abusive relationships, addiction, and sex trafficking. They sell all kinds of home goods, clothing, even jewelry. If you haven't finished your Christmas shopping yet, you should definitely check this place out. It's a beautiful store and they have a ton to offer. Defuniak Springs has a food truck festival every Friday from Thanksgiving to Christmas. But don't worry, if you missed out on that, every 4th Friday of the month, they also have a food truck festival.
The city of Defuniak Springs is known for having historic buildings all around. It was also the educational hub for Florida in the late 1800s and early 1900s.
One of the interesting things to see here in Defuniak Springs is the library. It's the oldest library in Florida that still operates out of its original building. Behind me is the Hall of Brotherhood, where the Florida Education Association was founded. This lake is one of the few in the world that is almost perfectly round. There's debate over how it was formed, either by a sinkhole or a giant meteor. I'm gonna go with meteor because that sounds cool. But during Christmas, they also decorate it with tons of Christmas lights, which you'll see when the sun goes down. There's a walking path that goes around the entire lake, but if you'd like to learn some more about the history of this town, there's also an app that you can download, and you can go on your very own self-guided tour around the town. And we'll link that down below. You can also swim at this lake, but watch out for wildlife. They have different events throughout the year, right here at this amphitheater next to the lake.
Defuniak Springs was founded in 1885 by the Lake Defuniak Springs Land Company, and it was a central hub for the railroad system, which went right through downtown.
For $5 per person, you can take a drive around the lake and look at all the lights. The money goes towards funding this tradition each year. You can also listen to Christmas music in your car while you drive by tuning into a local radio station.
This is truly a magical place. It really reminded us a lot of a little town in Ohio called Yellow Springs. The people here are super friendly. It's a beautiful town. They really do it big for the holiday season.
This is the event to be at here in Defuniak Springs.
But if you like this video, check out this video right here where we took a trolley around downtown Pensacola on a Grinch-themed caper. But thanks again for following along in this video, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.